I am a massive PC enthusiast. I love anything and all things related to building PCs, putting PCs together, hardware, tech, all of that, if you don't know that already. But once you get your PC built, you got to have a copy of Windows to be able to put it on it. And that's where we're going to be talking about our sponsor, Keysfan.com. Keysfan provides some of the cheapest and legal copies of Microsoft Windows and Microsoft Office as well. We're going to go through this process of showing you how to order from their website, get it all set up for you, and show you the discount codes that are available for ordering from their website. Anyway, let's jump up here and get into Keysfan.com. So here we are currently on the Keysfan.com website. They have a special going on. By using code MO52, it will get you 52% off your copy of Windows, whether it's Windows 11 or Windows 10. Not only that, they have a code for MO62. We'll get you 62% off a copy of Microsoft Office. But before we go any farther, let's go ahead and go through the process of showing you how to set up, get the code installed on there. And we're going to go ahead and add one copy of Windows 11. So let's go buy. Brings up to the next page, and there it is. $29.99 is what the normal cost is. But we're going to go ahead and add that to our cart. So once we have our copy of Windows added to our cart, we need to go down here, go to apply discount code. We're going to click the box right below that, and we're going to type in code MO52. Apply that discount, and it should apply 52% off to our order. So going from $29.99 all the way down to $14.40. And then once you get checkout, you're going to proceed to checkout, pay with PayPal or another option as well. They will send you the code, and you can go ahead and set up your copies of Windows 11 on your PC very easily and very inexpensive. And this way, you don't have to worry about paying full price for a copy of Windows ever again. Not only can you get a copy of Windows 11 or Windows 10 from their website, you can get also a copy of Microsoft Office. So let's just say we want to order a copy of Microsoft Office 2021. Let's go ahead and hit buy. Same process. Normal price is $103. We're going to add that to the cart. Go to view cart. And the exact same process. Apply discount code. Type in discount code MO62. Hit apply. And that will knock 62% off of our order. So going from $103, $64 off. And we're only going to pay $39.42 for 8 copies of Microsoft Office 2021 Professional. And that, my friends, is just how easy it is to order your own copy of Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Office from Keysfan.com at a discounted price. They offer a whole selection of other software as well. So be sure to check out their full website for all the details. And I'll leave a link down in the description below to Microsoft Windows, Office as well, and the discounts codes that are available to you for both of these softwares.